Welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a first step sleeve, that is first step sleeve flare. Now first of all, you take the length of your sleeve. The length of this sleeve is 13 inches. Because I'm attaching a flare on it, I minus 4 inches. The length of my flare is 4 inches. Now each of this line I'll be making here is 4 inches. So this is where I'll be attaching my flare on this particular place. So we measure for 4 inches. 4 inches here, from here to here again 4 inches. Why from here to here is 4 inches? This 4 inches will cover the length of will complete the length of my sleeve, that is 13 inches. Now I make straight line. I make straight line from this 4 inches I measure. When I open it like this, I make sure that I connect everything together from here to here to here to here. So for the flare, I will teach you how to cut this flare. Now you can attach it gather. You can make gather on it. If you don't want flare, you can use gather. But in this video, I prefer to use this flare. Now for my flare, you fold your fabric like this and measure 9 inches. The width like this is 9 inches. On fold is 9 inches. The length is 20 inches. All right. Now, so cut this flare now. Fold it into two like this, and fold it like this. I'm cutting it full flare. I want the flare to full very well. I hope you see what I'm doing. Now I fold it like this. If I fold it like this, just like this. If I fold it like this, look at it into two like this. I fold again like this. If I cut the flare, it will full, but not other full. It won't be like this full flare that I'm going to be cutting now. So look at it like this. So cut my full flare. I hold it like this and fold it into 8. So this is 8 to 8. So I'll be dividing my my round sleeve now into 8. Now this my sleeve. I've not cut the shape my sleeve. After attaching my flare, that is where I will remove my my armhole. Now I fold my sleeve like this. I measure my round sleeve. From here to here is my round sleeve. This my round sleeve here now is 24. Now unfold is 12. Unfold is 12. When I open it together, it's 24. So this 24 is what I will divide into 8. Now I take my fabric that I've folded already, which I've shown you how to fold it. I fold it into 8. I fold it into 8. In case if you don't know how to fold it, I've made video on how to cut full flare. Very easy to cut it. Now after folding it like this into 8, now my round sleeve 24, I divide the 24 into 8. Why into 8? Because this flare was folded into 8. Now 24 divided by 8 is 3 inches. Now I measure my 3 inches like this. I measure my 3 inches like this. I make straight line like this. For me to get the curve very well, I use my tape like this. I start taking it like this, just to get the curve. Just my flare to get curve. You see it like this. So after that, I will now determine the length of my sleeve. Remember, I said at this down part, I minus 4 inches from my full length. The full length of my sleeve is 13. I remove 4 inches because of my flare. After attaching this my flare on this sleeve, it will now complete the length of my sleeve, that is 13 inches. Now I'll be measuring 4 inches plus my seam allowance, the folding allowance there. I make it 5 inches, because after I fold the down part, it will still remain that 4 inches. Now I measure 5 inches like this. I measure 5 inches like this. So this is my first step. That's from from my round sleeve. Remember, it's 4 inches. Because of the sewing allowance, I make it 5 inches. I'm going to be cutting it now. So after that, I will now cut it. So this one, this round sleeve side is 4 inches. For the same allowance is 6 inches. But after this one, the next one I'll be cutting it 5 inches. Plus my sewing allowance, I will now add this one, the same down 1 inch, because I will still fold the mouth of this of the flare, and both the sewing allowance and the hemming allowance is 1 inch. So I'll be cutting 6 inches now. Why this one? This side is 5 inches. I'll be cutting 6 inches after this one. So I've cut it. So when you open it like this, you see how this flare will full. So I'll open one side. It's very full. Open one side like this. So first of all, complete this line. This line here, I make it. I connect this straight. So this is my flare. After I open it, see how full. So I'll take it to this down part here now, like I said before. This is the down part of my sleeve. So we attach it like this. Now I've started attaching it from this side here. See it now. I will attach it like this. Sew it on top like this, all the way to this side. So when you measure it now, my complete 13 inches is complete. Okay, both my sewing allowance. See, so this flare makes it to complete my 13 inches. So I'll be cutting like this for this one, this, and this, the last one. After that, I'll now remove my armhole of sleeve. All right, I'm going to be sewing it now. This is my sleeve. So this is the flare. I'll be placing it. Remember to mark out the one that is 5 inches and 6 inches. This one is the 5 inches. Now, and don't say it at the wrong side. Sew it at the right side on top. So I'll be placing it like this now. I'll start from this mouth, the round sleeve side. I place it like that, and I'm going to be sewing it there, straight down. The next one, I'll put it here and this place. Like I said, is the front side. Alright, see how I arrange it. This is the first one, followed by the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So I'll be sewing it here. So when I sew it, this one will cover this. It will not show. This is how I will be sewing it. You see how this flare comes out. So after I finish sewing the sleeve, before I'll now fold it together to bring out my round sleeve and my armhole. So after I sew it, this is how. See, this is the back. This is how the front is. So I'm not going to. I'll be removing my sleeve now. I fold it into two like this. But you can shape your sleeve before attaching this flare. Depends how you want it to, how you can be able to do yours. Because I want it to be equal. That is why I prefer to attach the flare before removing my round sleeve and cutting my sleeve. Now how to cut sleeve. Take your cap sleeve. Like I've made video on how to take your cap sleeve without calculation. This cap sleeve here is 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. This is my cap sleeve. From here to here is 4.5. And like I said, my full length here is 13 inches plus my folding allowance. Alright. Now from there now, I measure my armhole. Please watch my video on how to cut perfect sleeve. This sleeve of a thing, it has calculation. After that, like the way I cut my sleeve, and this is how to cut sleeve. Now I will not take my round sleeve. My round sleeve is 8 inches. Is 8 inches. Now, so for this one now, I add my sewing allowance 2 inches. So I'll be cutting this side now. I cut this side now. I sew it and bring it for you to see. Alright, I've finished sewing it. This is how it comes out. This is the first sleeve, first step, and second step, third step, fourth step. You can fold it or you can weave it, depends how you want it to be. So this is how to cut this first step sleeve, that is the flay, first step flay sleeve. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. God bless you. Please, if you know you have not subscribed on this channel before watching my video, please do me well to subscribe on this channel. Press down on that red button, subscribe for me, like my video and share my video. Thank you. Bye.